A plague tale and a festive finale. Once upon a time, a dark cloud hung over the beautiful city of Venice. Terrible plagues left through, leaving many sick and dying. Fear and despair filled the air as people slowly wondered if the city would ever be the same again and if people would be able to recover from this nightmare. But amidst the gloom, a glimmer of hope emerged. Slowly, the plague began to fade, and the city started to heal. As the sign of their gratitude and a relief, the Venetians decided to celebrate their victory over the disease with a grand festival. Every year on July 20th, the city would come alive with joy and excitement. Fireworks that lit up the night sky, illuminating their canals and bridges. The streets would be filled with music, laughter, dancing, sales, everything you can imagine. People would gather to celebrate their victory, and they enjoy the spirit of Venice. Year after year, it became a tradition, a reminder of the city's strength and its ability to overcome diseases and evil plagues. And so, the Venetian Plague Festival continued, a joyful celebration of life and hope, and I'm glad that I got to see it firsthand.
Thank you, everybody, for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed my video very much. And if you did, hit that like and subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell for more awesome videos like this. Also, one day, I hope that you see the magical land of Venice for yourself. That's all for today. Mitchell, out.